this is where we sleep last night. That's the Winchelsea beach. Very, very nice. Where's the lake? It's there. The lake is there. This is our caravan. Look, I wake up like this. I wake up like this. I wake up like this. That's the lake. Lake. Oh my god, it's very, very nice here. I like it. That's the Winchelsea beach, and that's our caravan, and that's the lake. It should be. Okay. Look at me now. It's cold. It's a bit cold, but sunshine. This is the lake. That's the lake. It's a lake. There is a man-made lake also here. You know, I go around here until near the dungeon is power station, and there's like a man-made lake. But this is not a man-made lake. This is a true lake. That's the one. Yes. Like that. Okay. And then we park there. And that's the Winchelsea beach. I've been there last night. Look at that. It's very beautiful. Oh my god. Very, very nice here. I love it. I had a good sleep. Very, very good sleep. My god, the scenery is really lovely. That's our caravan. Like, we are two caravans that parked there last night. Right.